In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the footer in Wix step by step. This is perfect if you want to update copyright text, add links, change social icons, or customize your footer design across your website. The footer is one of the most important sections of any site, and Wix makes it really easy once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Log in using the Wix account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your sites listed. Select the site where you want to edit the footer and click Edit Site to open the Wix Studio editor. Give it a moment to load completely so all elements appear correctly. Now that you're inside the Wix editor, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see several icons that control different parts of your site layout. Click on the Layers panel. This panel shows all the sections of your website in a clear, organized list, including headers, main pages, and footers. Using layers is the easiest way to select elements that might be harder to click directly on the canvas. Inside the Layers panel, scroll until you find the Footer section. Click on Footer, and you'll see all the elements inside it, such as text, menus, buttons, or social icons. Once the footer is selected, you can start editing it directly. Click on any text to change wording, update copyright years, or add your business name. You can also select links to update URLs, change menu items, or adjust social media icons. If you want to customize the design, use the Settings panel to change fonts, colors, spacing, or background styles. You can resize the footer, align elements, or even add new content like contact details or a newsletter sign-up. Any changes you make here will usually apply across all pages, which saves you a lot of time. When you're happy with your edits, take a moment to preview your site to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile views. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your footer changes live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully edited the footer in Wix using Wix Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.